Welcome, dear listener. This is Amelia with One Dreaming Bear, and today I will be taking you on a journey for cleaning the chakras, a journey of unconditional love. Before we begin, turn off all distractions and all mechanical equipment. Once you have found a safe place, we shall begin. Welcome, you dear listener, to this special guided meditation. Today we're going to take a beautiful journey through your chakras, cleansing and transforming them one by one. You don't need to know much about chakras to follow along. Just relax, listen to my voice, and let your heart lead the way. Remember, your kindness makes you worthy to be free. Now let's begin. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Feel the air fill your lungs and expand your chest. Do this 2 or 3 times. As you exhale, let go of any tension or stress. Take another deep breath in, and as you breathe out, feel yourself sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation. We will start at the top of your head with the crown chakra. This chakra is your connection to the universe and to the unconditional love that surrounds us all. Imagine a bright light, the light of love, shining down above you, entering the top of your head. This light is full of love and purity. As it enters your crown chakra, it washes away any negative energy, filling you with peace and joy. Take a deep breath in, and as you expand your awareness, feel the light cleansing and transforming your crown chakra. Next, we move down to the third eye chakra, located in the center of your forehead. This chakra is the seat of your intuition and wisdom. Picture a deep light shining into your third eye, clearing away any doubts or fears. This light can be any color, the color of cleansing. This helps This light helps you see the truth and understands the world around you. Take a deep breath in, clearing away any doubt or fears. And as you expand your mind, feel the light cleansing and transforming your third eye. Your heart knows the way. We gently move down to the throat chakra, located at your throat. This chakra is all about communication and expression. Imagine a bright light shining into your throat, washing away any block or barriers. This light helps you speak the truth and express yourself freely. Take in a deep breath, and as you expand your voice, feel the light cleansing and transforming your throat chakra. Remember, your kindness is what makes you worthy to be free. We gently go down on your journey, down to your heart chakra, located in the center of your chest. This chakra is the home of love and compassion. Picture a warm light shining into your beautiful heart, healing any wounds or pains. This light fills you with unconditional love for yourself and others. Take a deep breath in and expand your love. Feel the light cleansing and transforming your heart chakra. Your heart knows the way. Next, we move to the solar plexus chakra, located just above your belly button. This chakra is the center of your personal power and confidence. Imagine a bright light shining into your solar plexus, clearing away any doubts or insecurities. This light helps you feel strong and confident. Take a breath in, and as you expand your power, feel the light cleansing and transforming your solar plexus chakra. Now let's move to the sacral chakra, located just below your belly button. This chakra is all about creativity and passion. Picture a vibrant light shining into your sacral chakra, washing away any blocks or fears. This light helps you embrace your creativity and passion. Take a breath in, and as you expand your joy, feel the light cleansing and transforming your sacral chakra. Finally, we reach the root chakra, located at the base of your spine. This chakra is the foundation of your being, connecting you to the earth and providing stability. Imagine a deep light shining into your root chakra, grounding you and giving you strength. This light helps you feel safe and secure. Take a breath in, and as you expand your connection to the earth, feel the light cleansing and transforming your root chakra. Now take a moment to feel the energy flowing through your body, from the top of your head to the base of your spine. Each chakra is glowing with bright, vibrant light. You are filled and infused with unconditional love and peace. Your chakras are cleansed and balanced, helping you feel more in tune with yourself and the world around you. As we come to the end of this guided meditation, take a deep breath in and slowly open your eyes. Carry this feeling of peace and love with you throughout the day. Remember, your heart knows the way, and your kindness makes you worthy to be free. Thank you for joining me on this journey of transformation. Thank you all for being part of this journey. And feel free to book a free hypnotherapy session with me. This is Amelia with One Dreaming Bear, sending you off with an abundance of love, joy, and happiness.